Hello everyone. So today's recipe is Rava Besan Ladoo. Let's get started. Here I'm adding 1.5 cups of semolina, that is suji, and 1.5 cups of besan chickpea flour, and I'm adding 4 tablespoons of ghee. You can use any ghee, you can use even desi ghee. I'm using the normal ghee. Add 4 tablespoons of ghee and then mix well all together. Check whether it holds shape or not by combining everything. If it's holds shape, then it's the perfect consistency. Yes, it holds shape. Now you can add water. Add enough amount of water and knead a dough. You must knead a soft, not too soft or not too hard. It should be like a semi-thick dough. Okay. Now take a little amount of this and prepare for ladoos. Take little amount of the mixture and prepare ladoos and flatten it through your palm and keep it on a plate. Likewise, prepare all the ladoos and flatten it using your palm. Okay. This recipe gets ready within a short time. So now you need to fry these. You can use either oil or ghee to fry these. Make sure that your flame is on low or medium. I mean low to medium. Do not make it high. If your flame is high, then it may burn or get a darker color. So we only require a light golden color. So fry it on low to medium flame. Fry nicely on each sides. Flip it and fry it. I highly recommend you to use ghee for frying so that it tastes well, and it's okay if you use oil, no problem. Okay, the color has come now. So now take it from the flame and keep aside. Cool down a bit and then you need to grind these. So take a mixer grinder and add all this. Break into pieces and add to the mixer grinder. Break all those flattened pieces and grind well. It should not be too powdery form. It will be like coarsely grinded, not too powder. After breaking all those, add 3 cardamoms and grind well. Yes, this is the right consistency. See, coarsely grinded. Now add to a bowl and then add roasted nuts. Now we need to prepare sugar syrup for this. So here I am taking 1.5 cups of sugar and 3/4 cup of water. We don't require a one string consistency here. We just have to boil this, dissolve the sugar and check whether it is sticky or not. We have to boil until it's sticky. So let the sugar dissolve. Yes, now the sugar started boiling, sugar syrup. Now check whether it's sticky. Insert spatula and check whether it's sticky or not. Please note that here we don't require a one string consistency. We just require a sticky syrup, that's it. Now cool down a bit and then add gradually to the mixture. Mix well the mixture and then add gradually. take a tablespoon or 2 to 3 tablespoon of sugar syrup and prepare for the ladoos. Mix well and prepare for ladoos. Likewise, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar syrup and prepare for ladoos so that the whole mixture doesn't crumble up and be messy. So yes, the laddu is done. Likewise, prepare other ladoos. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the newer notifications. Thank you.